Can you keep my bills ready? I will just be back after my breakfast.
Good morning, sir. May I have your room number and last name, please?
I am in room 324.
Thank you for the confirmation, sir. By the time you come back from breakfast, I will have the bills ready. Before I print out your bill, may I reconfirm if you have any last-minute consumption from the minibar?
Yes, I did have a bottle of water and a packet of chips.
Thank you for confirming that, Mr. Raj. I hope your stay was comfortable.
Yes, it was nice. Except for the small issue at the beginning of the stay.
I do apologize for the room move during your arrival. Your entire bill along with the minibar charges is Rs 8,500. Would you prefer to pay by cash or card?
Card, please.
Thank you, sir. After your checkout, you will receive an email asking for feedback about our stay. In case you can spare some time, it will be valuable for us to receive some feedback.
Okay, I will fill out the form.
By the way, when do we see you back again?
I may have some travel to the city next week. I will make my reservation once my plans firm up.
It will be a pleasure to be of service to you once again. In case I can be of any assistance, please do let me know. Jay, so as you saw the checkout, what all did you observe?
We need to check of any consumption on the minibar, make sure the bills are accurate, and collect the money. You also asked for feedback and ensured the guest was happy. Finally, you asked for future business and offered to make a reservation.
Well done, Jay. You have summarized the checkout process perfectly.
If you would like to learn with me, do subscribe to the channel and keep watching the videos. We post a new video every day to help people starting their career in hotels.
And in case you wish to learn about more topics or department and get a certificate, visit clarifiedbetter.com and look at our courses for people in the hotel industry.
Take care and see you in the next video.